What's up, y'all? Your Vapes and CBD back with you again. Your favorite guy and your favorite king. Back with another video. Today we're gonna be making a shake with this CBD full spectrum hemp oil. And this one says THC free, as you can see on it. If the camera focus. Camera don't want to focus. Camera don't want to focus. Alright, but yeah, it's a check there saying this is the THC free one. Meaning you're not going to have no psychoactive properties in it. Hold on, let me get a drink of water. Hold up. Alright, but what I'm going to do with this, normally what I do is I get me a dropper like that and I just get me a dropper in my mouth. But today we're going to make smoothies. We're going to do a little different. So, got my little blender right here. And I'm only doing this to help spark ideas on how you could use your CBD oil. And you gotta make sure it's the one that's not vape only. There's certain CBD oils and it says on there vape only. And if you want to confirm, just wherever you get your CBD from, just ask them if it's all right to mix it in smoothies and take it orally. Is this oral CBD? You know, things of that nature. But let's get the fruit. So what I normally get is these frozen bags of fruit that come. You can find these at Walmart, Dillon's, almost any grocery store. So whatever grocery store you have near you, you just swing in there, go get you some of that good old fresh frozen fruit. Your Vapes and CBD presents another good deal. And this right here is some mixed greens I just threw in a Ziploc bag. Spinach and Cali, if I'm not mistaken. So I drizzle a little bit of that in there. Yeah. And you could use any juice. I even heard you could use water, but I never tried making a shake with water. I use juice. I normally use orange juice. So as long as I got some orange juice, I try to use that. But I've also used, there's been times I had to use Kool-Aid. You feel me? Woo! You talking about sweet? Man, that stuff be sweet. Come on, get open. I used to hate these freaking carton containers when I was in school. Trying to get these darn things to open up. Stupid thing. Alright. Let's see you doing. I'm gonna turn that a little more for you. Let's go and add some pieces, y'all. Why not? I only got a little bit left, so go ahead and pour that in there. Boop. And for the safety of the land, make sure you throw your trash in the trash. You gotta be real careful with it. What I do, I just try to put just enough juice to go a little over the fruit. All right, boom. I also use this stuff. You can't see the labeling because when I opened it up, I ripped it, but it's supposed to be like 50 super greens. It says something like that, and it's organic. Superfoods. All right, so I throw a scoop of this in there. This is really good for energy. I think it's been helping me with my memory. I remember to make this video this morning, so I guess it's working. But if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. And you can let me know that in the comments. And you let me know what it is. And we're going to get a drop of that good old CBD. Bam. But since this what I'm making right here is a serving for 2. So I got to put double the dose of the CBD in there. Whoop. Bam. Slap that good old lid on there. And let's get the grinding. Let's go to work. See it turning all green? That gotta be worth the subscription right there. It gotta be right there. You heard that? Subscribe. Work. It's like a work. All right, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna add a little more juice in this. Me preferably, I like my smoothies kind of thick, but my wife, she likes it a little thin. So I try to meet in the middle, best of both worlds right there, you know. Let's pour it up. And if y'all didn't know, this is one of my first vapes right here. The Wismec 2700. I've been having this mod right here for almost 2 years now. And look at this thing. I done dropped it. You see the dents on it. I done dropped this thing, but this thing is built like a tank. This thing is built like a tank, y'all. And it chucks like a truck on diesel. Huh. Let's go. Let's pour this up. Let's see what we working with. Oh, hold on, y'all. My bad. There's one thing that I add in here. Well, I guess I could skip it this time. I'll skip it. I normally add like an apple cider vinegar. It's good for you, you know. I'm not going to explain the details on what it does. If you want to look at the beneficial properties of the apple cider vinegar, I'll show you what I use though. It is organic. But if you want to see a review on this, check me out on the next video. Stay tuned. We could do a review on the apple cider vinegar CBD mix thing. All right. So let's pour up now. Ooh. That green stuff. My bad. I had to get a cup, y'all. My bad. Don't think I'm running from the camera. I'm not running from a team. I'm not running from you all. But let's give it a taste. That deserves a vape. But that's it, y'all. Just a quick little review on the CBD oil and how I use it on a day-to-day basis. And if you want to check it out, let me show you one more time what brand that one is. Dr. Golden CBD. Dr. Golden CBD. You don't have to get this one, but you can. It's up to you. Shout out to Dr. Golden. This is not a sponsored video. I do all this stuff in my own free will. It just make you want to sprinkle. They just want to get your hands over that cup, and that thing is good right there. But all right, y'all, your Vaping CBD, keeping it rolling. I took a little break for a while. You know, we're raising kids and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying. But y'all stay tuned. I got more reviews, product reviews, and all kind of stuff, and ready to pop up, y'all. Love, peace, and happiness. Thanks for joining. And don't forget to like and subscribe because you like this guy. Let's go. Team Your Vaping CBD. Let's go.